The mini drone 1080p HD FPV is perfect for capturing stunning aerial footage with its high-definition camera that can be remotely tilted for versatile shooting angles. This drone offers an impressive flight duration of up to 28 minutes thanks to its two included rechargeable batteries, allowing users to enjoy extended flying sessions. Designed with beginners in mind, it features intuitive controls like one-key takeoff and landing, trajectory flight, and a 3-speed mode for a straightforward and enjoyable flying experience. For added safety and reliability, the drone includes overcurrent protection and an emergency stop function, ensuring a stable flight even for young pilots. The drone can be easily controlled via both remote and smartphone app, offering flexibility and convenience for users who prefer different modes of operation. Its compact foldable design makes it an excellent gift choice as it is easy to store and transport, perfect for both indoor and outdoor adventures.